That's not bad. That looks pretty slick. I think this brand new.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Well, I put my car in the shop to get the sensor fixed and the recall done, man. Unfortunately, it's raining like I don't know what, so I didn't get to walk around the dealership to see what's out here. But I can tell you, there's nothing interesting out here. Only good thing about all this is my sensor is fixed, and as you can see, I'm gonna show y'all. If I can get to it, I always go to the wrong thing when I'm trying to. My tire, see, the sensor light is no longer on. So I finally got that fixed and put my seatbelt on. And I got the recall done. So now my car is at 100%, man. It's at 100% now. I was gonna walk around the lot to see what they had out there, man, but they don't really have anything on the lot right now. They don't have any wide bodies. They don't even have any hellcats, and they don't have any scat packs. All they got is GTs on the lot. So that's why I didn't walk around the lot. But and again, man, it's raining like I don't know what right now. So it's just been a waste of time trying to walk around the lot and see what they got out there, because there ain't nothing to look at. But the good thing is I got my sensor fixed. I got the recall done. So now my RT is at 100%, man. Unfortunately, it's raining, so I can't clean it up and maybe do some pools or something, man. I can't do that because it's pouring down raining out here. Now I gotta go back because they forgot to put my wheel lock back in my car, man. Hijack my daggone wheel lock. So now I gotta go back up here to the dealership and get my daggone wheel locks, bruh. My damn wheel lock key. That's what they forgot. Wheel lock key. I got to have that, bruh. And this is the second time they done did that. Every time I go to the dealership, they always forget to put my daggone wheel lock key back in my daggone car, bruh. Good thing I ain't go too daggone far. As y'all can see, man, it's raining like I don't know what, bro. These big old truck coming. I got the raw pedal off right now. Definitely don't need that joint. There's no daggone rain, bro. But like I say, man, I gotta go back up there, so hopefully they close at 6 at 6:01, so I'm hoping that they ain't closed all the way. You know what I'm saying? I need my damn wheel lock key. I need it. As y'all can see, man, ain't really nothing out here. I mean, they got some Chargers out here, some GTs. And matter of fact, I'm gonna park right here. They blocking the damn. I can't even get in this jump. All right, guys, I got my wheel lock key. But as you see, they got V6. They got two GTs right there. And that's pretty much all they got. They got a Durango right there. That's pretty much all they got out here, bro. And they got another GT in the showroom right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Somebody want a V6, John. Look, a little test drive. But let's ride around the back. I'm gonna go around the back and see if we can get lucky. Let's go around the back and see if we can get lucky. There go older Hemi. That's an RT. See if we can get lucky and find something interesting back here. Somebody got a Ford up this joint. Oh, there go 392 right there. That's somebody's car though. That's the only one I seen. Yeah, it don't look like too much back here. Yeah, you know, dealerships, they out of, oh, there was something right there. What's that? Oh, that's that same Stars and Stripes though. They still ain't sold that car. I think that's an RT though. Man, I'm so glad that damn sensor light is off, man. That was annoying. We got back, what's this right here? It look like a scat pack. No, that's a GT. Challenger. Okay, there go a Hemi or RT. These people cars though, man. This ain't nothing. These cars aren't for sale. There go a Hemi right there. That's somebody's car. That's the joint that changed the front. See, he changed the front, but he still got the regular RT hood. In fact, I want to take a closer look at that. Let's get out and look at that real quick. Let's see something. And it's raining. But I'm just curious how this, and that actually don't look too bad with the front and the regular RT hood. It don't look too bad, even though I would prefer having the hood as well, but I like the way that looks. And he didn't change the bumper. Let's see. Nah, it still got the regular RT bumper. Yeah, I like that. That's definitely what I want to do to, I was gonna do to my RT, is just change the front fascia like that. That's pretty cool. That's it, man. That's all I see out here. Ain't nothing else out here. Overlook at that GT right here. Challenger. That's not bad. That looks pretty slick. I think this brand new. I don't think this is my car. Yeah, that's a brand new jump. It still got the daggone shipping guards on it. But yeah, man, I like that RT with that. That don't look too bad. I would have to hurry up and change that hood though, but it don't look too bad. Man, that joint growling. Listen. Ooh-wee. Yeah, got 300s. That's it, man. Ain't nothing out here. Man, I just wanted to show y'all that RT with the SRT front without switching the hood. Don't look too bad, but I prefer to have either the Scat Pack or the Hellcat hood as well. If I'm going to do that, I want to just go ahead. And maybe maybe just a process. I mean, that stuff not cheap. Buying that front fascia and that and then the hood. That's a couple $1,000s right there. There's a white GT right there. Water just ran all up in. That joint alright. Oh, don't get hit, bro. See me walking around through here. I was walking around this joint like zombies. Alright guys, so what I had done was the recall, which was a canister. Let's see. And I did a video a while back about FCA recalling all the Dodge Chargers and Challengers. Emissions recall, the UB4 evaporative emissions canister. Whatever the ham sandwich that is, that's what they replaced. Of course, I didn't have to pay a dime because it was a recall. And I had my sensor fixed. That cost me a pretty penny. It was the sensor T1 or TI. It looked like it said TI. But $147. So I got that fixed. And they reset my daggone sunroof. Man, I can't even talk today. They reset my sunroof as well. So that's a quick little rundown of all the things I had done today. And seemed like she running perfect now, man. I ain't got no problems. I can check and see if I have the proper amount of air in my tires now, which was an issue before with that sensor. So the tire pressure readings were off. So I finally got that fixed. I could not talk today, guys. Y'all gotta excuse me, man. I cannot talk today. So that's pretty much it, man. That's all I had done today. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. And I was able to use a 10% off coupon, which helped a lot. So that's it, man. So if this is your first time on my channel, if you look in the description, there's a link where you can put in your VIN number, see if your car has this recall, if you need to get this recall done, because they had to actually order the part. They did not have it in stock. So if you do need this recall done, you want to call your dealership ahead of time and make sure they got the part in before you drive all the way up there, and then they tell you gotta come back a month later because they had to order it and took a couple weeks for the part to come in. So if this is the first time on my channel, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, put it on all notifications. That way you're notified every time I upload a video. Smash that subscribe button, man. I see you guys on the next video. Peace.